Hey, best search engine evaluator jobs that pay you more than $15 per hour right in this video. Do you like to spend a lot of your time browsing the internet? How would you like to make a little extra cash on the side, doing just that as a search engine evaluator? Sounds complicated, but I can assure you that it's not. But first, you need to understand, what does a search engine evaluator do? A search engine evaluator is responsible for searching for specific terms online to ensure that search engines are always updated. It's a job that needs no formal qualification besides a working laptop and a stable, high-speed internet connection. An added bonus, you get to work from your home online with ease. You can also choose the time you want to work, although most companies would need you to put in at least 20 hours per week. Now that I have your attention, here's a look at 6 top companies that provide some of the best search engine evaluation jobs that enable work from home, along with their selection criteria for this position. Google Search Engine Evaluation. Google refers to search engine evaluators as ad quality raters. It's one of the very few work from home available with the company, and hence openings are very few and far between. But if you do get lucky, you get to choose between an English-only and a more localized job. You will be expected to provide feedback on all image and text search results using a specific online tool and rating guidelines provided to you. Google requires all its ad quality raters to commit anywhere between 10 to 30 hours per week. You will also be asked to sign a non-disclosure agreement. The payments are generally not publicized, but are said to be between $14 and $15 paid on a weekly basis. Line Bridge. People hired for this role are termed as personalized ads evaluators. The job involves analyzing and rating online advertisements found in search engine results. A candidate also needs to be living in the US for the last 3 consecutive years. Other essential requirements include a high school diploma and some experience in the use of web browsers and Gmail services. The pay scale for this position is set to be between $14 and $15 per hour. APEN. Its core interests are spread across search technology, social media engagement, language technology, and crowdsourcing. It is also known to provide some of the excellent web search evaluator jobs and social media evaluator jobs in the US. As a search engine evaluator, a social media evaluator rates the performance of search results within SMM networks. Candidates applying for this position are expected to have extensive knowledge of all major social media platforms, excellent English writing skills, and a basic understanding of using computers, performing searches, and internet browsing. The company expects all its web search evaluators to work for at least 4 hours, 5-7 days a week. The selection process is quite intensive and involves 3 tests: search engine test, English language test, and a technical skills test. The pay depends on where you live. US, UK, and EU nationals are usually paid anywhere between $13 to $15 per hour. iSoftware was founded in China and is based out of Washington, US. It is known for hiring search engine evaluators, website evaluators, and online ad evaluators from the US. Candidates applying for the position of an online ad evaluator with iSoftstone need to be a native English speaker, familiar with Microsoft products like Bing. They also need to be permanent residents of the US, capable of working for at least 15 hours per week. This position requires from 10 to 25 hours per week, with the option to work up to 40 hours per week based on job performance. The job profile includes feeding specific search queries into search engines and then evaluating them based on the company's rating system. Starting pay is between $12 to $13 per hour. Payments are usually credited once a month via PayPal or direct deposit. Zero Chaos. This Florida-based company also hires ad quality raters to join on a work-from-home basis. However, only US citizens are considered for open positions in this category. The selection process is relatively simple and includes a 2-part exam. Degree holders can expect to complete the formalities within a week. The company also offers free training to successful candidates. The working hours are flexible and range between 10 to 30 hours per week on a part-time basis. You will need to have your own computer and access to a high-speed internet connection. Payment is said to be in the range of $13 to $15 per hour. Rate your labs. Candidates applying for the work-from-home internet assessor position need to be self-motivated and internet savvy, with a strong familiarity with American media and online culture, a university or equivalent degree with excellent comprehension and written communication in English, excellent web research and analytical abilities, with the ability to work under minimal supervision. He or she will be expected to participate in a number of different evaluation projects, including web search evaluation, video evaluation, maps, and local automation projects. The company offers a maximum of 1 search engine evaluator position per household. Successful candidates from the UK and EU countries are reportedly paid $14 per hour, while those based in Canada and the US can earn approximately $13.5 per hour via a direct deposit into their account. Thank you for watching this video, and we have a lot of more videos, so stay tuned with our channel.